What's Bob and Chris meeting there?
This is Craig's fridge. He's gonna raid this shit.
Oh shit. Are you eating spaghetti right now? Yo, you're so Italian.
Spaghetti.
Yo. Yo, where's the ragu? Where's the meat sauce?
So good.
Yeah, where's the ragu?
Really learn how to shoot video on your phone.
So fucking good.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no.
Raiding my shit.
Oh no.
Throw you in the knives.
Yo, Craig, Mr. Miyagi Cable just fucking came out of his face and showed his true colors.
Sorry.
You know, why don't you guys get some makeup? Yo, taxi's here. Taxi's here.
Taxi's here.
Paulie D, quote, cab the hair. Cab the hair.
Okay.
Give me a little middle finger for the end of the segment.
Pasta.
Chris,
What?
flip me the bird. Word.